Hi, how you doing? Today we have a PlayStation 5 for maintenance. As you can see, the liquid metal was missing on a spot, and it left a little overheating. Burn mark. Also, we don't get signal on the HDMI port. As you can see, 5 of the legs are loose. This can cause the issue, but as you can see in a second, the metal shielding is also broken, so we have to replace it. First, we add a little flux that will make easier the removal. After we start heating up with 500 Celsius from the bottom. The airflow set to 130 liter per minute. That doing efficient work. Don't forget to remove the little metal sponge from the bottom or it will melt and smoke, which isn't pretty. Once you can see the soldering melted all the way, try to move the HDMI port sideways. If it's loose, then it's safe to lift it up. If it's not moving, don't force. Or you can lift the traces up and after it really hard to fix it. Don't stop the heater. Keep the board at the same temperature as you place the new port inside. As the new port is cold, it needs a few seconds to heat up, and it will sink to the right place. Once the new port is settled, check if all the pins are soldered nicely. The mainboard is quite filthy, and we also need to replace the liquid metal. Initially, our approach involves using a syringe to extract the old metal, followed by meticulously clearing away any remaining residue using a Q-tip. It's crucial to eliminate as much of the old substance as possible. Then, we employ isopropyl alcohol to thoroughly cleanse the die and remove any remaining residue. If you need assistance with a repair or have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us via email at info@southlondonrepair.co.uk. We're here to help. Once we are satisfied with the result, we can proceed to apply the new liquid metal. Only a small quantity is required, forming a tiny bead on the surface. Using a fresh Q-tip, we carefully spread it across the surface, ensuring an even and reflective finish akin to a mirror. We're not quite done yet, as we still have work to do on the other side. We're looking at the same workload ahead of us. Initially, we'll remove the old liquid metal, thoroughly clean the surface, and then proceed to apply the new metal. It's crucial to ensure thorough cleaning, as any residue left behind can prevent the liquid metal from spreading evenly across the surface.
We'll be close to 5.
We hope you've been enjoying our videos, and if you do, please consider subscribing. Your support means a lot to us and enables us to dedicate more time to creating content like this. If there's anything specific you'd like to see, feel free to leave a comment, and we'll do our best to make it happen. Until next time, take care.